All right, y'all. So I made this Velveeta skillet one pan dinner kit. I don't think I'll be doing this again at all, y'all. It did not turn out right, so I really. My daughter said it did to her, but to me it didn't turn out right, baby girl.
It's good, Mama.
Baby girl say it's good. I'm gonna try it, y'all, and go from there. But I don't think I'll be trying it again.
You know what it tastes like?
What?
You ever seen somebody make lasagna soup?
Lasagna soup, yeah.
That's what it tastes like.
Oh, okay. So I got some chicken. So let's go ahead on and season up the chicken. Of course, y'all know I have my
Keep making this.
Saison. You like it for real?
It tastes like lasagna soup.
Oh, okay, y'all. So y'all know, of course, I got my Saison. So I'm gonna put 2 packs of chicken. Excuse me, 2 packs of sauce.
Hey, not Spencer. We've got wood.
They just offered me Tom's job if I take it, will you come back?
Yeah, when we start.
The garlic salt. Total seasoning. Oh, I don't drop my top, y'all.
Aren't you an NPC?
Pick my top up. Okay. Y'all, nature season. I got one that's not open yet, so let me grab that. Go ahead on and put the second one in there. Y'all, somebody sneeze. What they say? If you ain't sneezing, it ain't season. Okay, Paris.
Yeah.
Come here, Mama, real fast. I need you. Can you do me a favor and get me the one that's open, please? Thank you. I don't think I put my total seasoning in, so let me rinse my hands off. Thank you. Okay. And then we're also going to put our chicken sauce, excuse me, chicken seasoning. Hey, give me the flour, please, while you're right there. Thank you. The flour. Should I put mustard on it or no? No mustard? Okay.
It's gonna make it crunchy.
Yeah, super crunchy.
I must be able to see.
The flour should be to the top of the pantry in the left-hand corner. Thank you. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead on and mix up. Thank you. Rinse my hands. Okay. So I think I need a little bit more seasoning. What y'all think? I think I need a little bit more. I mean, the Saison gave it a little bit of color, but I think I need a little bit more. I'll just put a little bit more. I don't want it. Monty, what is that you're looking at? Okay. Because I don't have any more complete seasoning, so. Y'all know with chicken, you got to really season it, so. Season it up. Ooh. That's a lot of seasoning, y'all. Y'all just got to sneeze. Okay. All right, y'all. So let's go ahead on and put those y'all, my hands about to get a little dirty, so let's season the flour a little bit.
I'm an orphan. How would you feel if your mother jumped out of a window onto your fence?
This is how I season my chicken, y'all. Okay? Don't judge me, judge your man.
Can't help but feel like it's made of bullshit.
All right, now I think that's enough for seasoning, so
Don't believe yourself.
let's go ahead on and get down and dirty, y'all. Whew.
Hey, buddy. So sad, huh? How'd you know?
I think I need some more flour, y'all.
Twins. Actually, that was supposed to be the third year. That's the date
Yeah,
we're
I
supposed
think
to
I
go.
need some more flour.
There. A woman just died. Maybe you wait till her body's in the ground before talking about fucking her.
Amen.
Yeah, I need some more flour, y'all. So let me rinse the hands off again. Let's go ahead on and do this. And then we're gonna add just a little bit more flour.
She wants us to find the murderer.
And I think that should be enough. Not that way, yeah, that should be enough. All right, y'all, let's go ahead on and get down and dirty. Down and dirty.
I ain't gonna lie, Mama, that was good.
It was? Okay, thank you. Sometimes I think they be lying to me, y'all. All right, y'all, this chicken is seasoned up, y'all, and ready to go on the fire. Mm-hmm. Go ahead on and drop it in. Y'all, I forgot to put like a little cut in my chicken, but it's all good. All right, y'all, so we're gonna let that cook down for about 15 minutes. And rinse my hands again. Y'all, I also want to make some brownies tonight. It's Friday, so why not go ahead on to make some brownies? And also, guess what? Clean up while you cook. While you cook, honey. It'll be less cleaning that you have to do. Let's go ahead on and put the top on for a little while. Let that cook. Y'all, I'm gonna taste this stuff and see how it tastes. My kids say it tastes pretty good, but I don't know. So we'll see, y'all. We'll see. All right, let's go on and taste and see how it tastes. I'm gonna put a little bit of nature seasoning, y'all.
Just need time to get used to it. We can't fight all
It tastes okay. Tastes okay.
just want to have like cocktail party. Land on Mars, bro.
It tastes okay.
And now I'm writing a book about his house party. She also likes to cook and clean Let's I really want to work. You can make me out, and I will like you.
It tastes okay, y'all. It tastes okay. I give it another try. I give it another try.
She's your partner. I'd like to know who she is.
Yeah, I will.
It's only years. You make it weird.
I will.
You can probably love stuff.
chicken. Y'all, it looks so good. Oh my god. So let's poke a hole in the chicken so that grease can, you know, get in there and fry the chicken up. Now it's gonna come out so golden and crispy, y'all. Watch this. It's gonna come out nice. Just put the top back on it. And guess what, y'all? I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Now my chicken is almost done. Now let me show y'all. It's coming. Wait a minute. If you don't have you one of these right here, y'all, not sponsored, you better get you one. This deep fryer here, y'all, it comes in handy, I'm telling y'all. I ain't gonna say the name because I ain't getting paid from it. But y'all know. When them wings get to floating, baby, they ready. So I got my little pan right here with my napkins on it. Y'all, I need to get me one of them racks from Walmart. I'm gonna buy one the next time I go to Walmart, because y'all know I stay up in Walmart. Next time I go there, I'm gonna get one. A cooling rack. Huh? Yeah, a cooling rack. Remind me to get one when we go to Walmart. Yeah. We gotta come taste this chicken, girl. What is it's called? Cooling rack, right?
Resting rack.
Resting rack. My bad, y'all. Resting rack. Okay. Now y'all can't tell me that don't look good, but I'm about to bring it closer to the camera to show y'all. I'm about to bring it closer to the camera.
Hey, guys. Yeah, my wife loves you. And I to hear that. You make me so happy. And actually, I'm quite literally an expert.
Now that's how your chicken's supposed to look. That's how it's supposed to look.
Companies hire me to
Mm-hmm.
find that inner smile.
Mm-hmm.
You know what the secret is?
Good.
Start with an inner smile.
Yes.
And if that
Nice.
you give yourself a smile snap.
Yep.
Every time.
Very nice. I know y'all want some.
To be married to
And it smells good, y'all. It smells so good. And guess what? Amani, I'm glad I didn't put that mustard on it. Because, y'all, it still came out with a little crunch to it. That flour and that mustard, it would have did too much. So, guess what? Bye, y'all.